Okay, tribe, here's what's cooking. So I've got probably about 1.25 pounds of green beans here, and I needed to get those used up. I'm thinking, what else can I do with this? So I decided I'm making sort of a German-ish dish this evening. I'm going to start off by parboiling the green beans for a couple of minutes. I've got some water boiling right here on the stove. I'm going to throw them in just a moment. I've got a bunch of red cabbage that's left over from the vegetable soup that I made a couple days ago, so I'm going to use that. Chopped up a smallish onion and a grass-fed Polish beef sausage. Bacon would be good here as well, but I didn't have any. This is what I had, so this is what I'm doing. So the first thing I'm going to do is cook these green beans down. I'm going to pull those out, and then I'm going to saute the onions and the Polish sausage together, and then I'll put the red cabbage in with that. I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar and a little bit of maple syrup because I want that kind of sweet sour thing going on. So my apologies if you're in spring, this is not for you, but summer or fall, I think you're good to go. I was looking at the overall ratio of vegetables to the sausage, and I decided to add a second one. So I've got 2 Polish sausage here. Our green beans are almost done. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, they're looking good. We're gonna give them about another minute or so, and then I'll drain those off and start sauteing the onions and the sausage. Green beans are beautifully tender crisp, I'd say. They're slightly cooked, but not, like super cooked. And I think they're gonna be beautiful in this. So I've got the sausage in the pan. Getting that started. I want to see if it's going to render out enough fat or if I need to add a little more fat before I put the onion in. So I'm going to give that just a minute. Oh, it smells good already. Let's see what that's going to look like, and then I'll go ahead and throw the onions in along with that. And then we'll add some cider vinegar, throw in our cabbage, and let that kind of render itself just for a few minutes. Wow, isn't that beautiful? So I've stirred in the green beans. I'm gonna let that, saute together for a couple of minutes, let the flavors meld, and then I'm gonna taste it for seasonings and decide whether or not I'm going to add the maple syrup or not. I had a taste of the cabbage and I really like the slightly sharp flavor. I'm thinking maybe it doesn't need any maple syrup at all, and if that's the case, then it's great for spring as well. Okay, here's where I wound up. The vegetables are still crisp tender, which is exactly what I wanted, and I added about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar throughout the process, but I decided not to add the maple syrup. I really like it a little bit sharp. I put in about a 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan pink rock salt, and about 1/4 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. I think I probably will add a little more salt when I plate it up, but I don't want to add it to the whole dish until I get a better taste of it. So here you go, guys. Super simple, really easy, beautiful colors. Give it a try. Let me know what you think, and if you thought this video was useful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up for the video, and hit that notification bell so you find out when the next video is coming out. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. And even better, I've got a whole bunch of leftovers. I'm thinking about making some garlic mashed cauliflower to go with this tomorrow. I think that would be a really good combination as well. So try it out. Hope you enjoy it. And again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video useful at all. And hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.